My name is Hope Mukunte. I'm the founder of Green Gold Social, an initiative that is reforesting native trees in Chongwe and also helping farmers become climate resilient through agroforestry. Today, I'm at Chisengo village, which is about 10 kilometers from Chongwe town, and we are conducting a training where we are training young people to make their own grow bags that we will use to plant the tree seeds so that they can germinate and become seedlings, and then those seedlings will take them in the bush and plant the trees. So I have 5 amazing young people with me today between the ages of 17 and 20, and they are going to be making each of them 500 grow bags in a space of 2 months. That means that for 5 young people, we are expecting 2,500 grow bags that we will use to plant these trees. Now, as we are going to be planting 20,000 trees, this is just our way of making sure that everyone is involved, but most importantly that these young people have green, sustainable jobs that they can count on every year, even as we plant trees. So there's a school called African Vision of Hope, which is about 1 kilometer from here. They gave us space to set up our nursery, and that is where we're going to plant these trees until they are strong enough, and when it is raining enough in January, we're going to take these seedlings and plant them in the bush. So this year we are planting 20,000 trees, but the real impact is the lives of the young people like this, who we are helping to have a sustainable income so that they can buy school supplies, and they can also help their parents with a few things at home. So as much as we are fighting deforestation, we are making sure that we are providing green jobs for these young people and for everyone else who is involved. These young people are going to be making grow bags. We have another group of young people who have collected seeds. We have collected over 40,000 seeds this year, and even those are getting an allowance from this work, and these young people also are going to get paid for the grow bags that they will be making. So this is how we are changing lives in Chongwe in our own way, fighting deforestation, and also making sure that young people and villagers in general have green jobs and sustainable livelihoods, even as we fight climate change. Okay. Okay.